Hey y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're doing Cup of Alien. And in case you're kind of wondering what kind of alien, I actually do not remember what kind of alien is. But this is gonna be quite interesting. I don't understand. I can't quite grasp the taste. It's completely new to me. Like an out of this world flavor. It's strange. Almost like drinking stardust or something. Okay, this isn't normal. Am I changing? What did I just drink? You are that. Okay, so you look more like one of the cartoon aliens. That's actually kind of cute. I kind of like that. I'm gonna be truthful. Abstraction, no, that shit was ugly as fuck previous episode, but this actually looks nice. Do you need something? My coffee machine is over there. Sorry, my voice. I'm trying to add personality to these transformations. This one just, when I think aliens, I think they just sound like this, like an android. Bebop. But yeah, that is the Cup of Alien. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.